Hello, and welcome back to another Talking Freight, brought to you by Sarasys, the transportation management company. Last week, we talked about the inbound side of parcel management, and we'll conclude our series on all things parcel management by focusing on the other side of the logistics circle, reverse logistics. Managing parcels for outbound shipping represents only a portion of a shipper's overall logistics strategy. Freight spend must include parcel in reverse logistics, and major carriers are turning their attention to the value stream of proactive parcel management in reverse logistics. In fact, the top carriers actively invested in parcel in reverse logistics to offer more options to shippers, such as the $1.4 billion acquisition of Ginkgo by FedEx. In conjunction with greater customer demands for low-cost, easy returns, shippers must understand the role of parcel in reverse logistics with greater resolve. So, let's talk parcel reverse logistics. First, let's answer, what does parcel have to do with reverse logistics? Parcel shipping makes up the dominant part of reverse logistics in e-commerce. This is due to a higher rate of returns for purchases made online, which may be as high as 30%. Since customers tend to return items as a single transaction, they are often shipped via parcel. However, some single returns, like furniture and items that exceed the shipping restriction of parcel, may require a different mode, such as LTL. Meanwhile, outbound freight may be shipped via multiple channels, but inbound reverse logistics are usually exclusively parcels. Next, parcel in reverse logistics requires reintegration or restocking and accountability. Reintegrating products that can be resold or liquidated is a major challenge in managing parcel in reverse logistics. Returns may be coming in from virtually any venue, including customers shipping returns by parcel or brick-and-mortar stores, even though a brick-and-mortar store may be able to resell the product to consumers at the point of return. As a result, shippers must consider how to best reintegrate products into warehouses and avoid unnecessary costs in the restocking phase. If a parcel is damaged, it represents an added cost to the company, including the cost to destroy the product upon arrival to the facility. This poses the question, when is it better to simply refund a customer's money for an item that is damaged, allowing the customer to keep the product? In addition, analytics can identify reasons for higher return rates. Since it is more cost-effective to refund money to customers with defective products that cannot be repaired, as opposed to paying for return shipping and managing the product as it moves through the supply chain, shippers must find a way to separate the defects from the instances of fraud. This is where customer-facing analytics can come into play. If multiple accounts of a defect are found from applied analytics, the company can identify other potential clients experiencing the same issue and process refunds appropriately. Similarly, applied analytics can be used to identify the step in the manufacturing process or its arrival to a shipper that resulted in the defect, regardless of whether the company pays for return shipping or allows a customer to keep the merchandise. Shippers want to also use customer-facing technology to enhance traceability of parcel in reverse logistics. When a shipment is tendered for return, shippers should use systems that allow for traceability of parcel in reverse logistics. In other words, customers should have the ability to print return shipping labels on demand, which include tracking numbers that can be used to monitor the movement of the package back to the shipper. Similarly, customer-facing technologies like smartphone cameras and artificial-driven assistants like Alexa, Google Home, Cortana, and Echo can help shippers understand why a product is being returned. And of course, another consideration is customer service needs information to route shipments correctly. Returns originating in brick-and-mortar stores require customer service agents and store associates understand how to respond when an item is returned. Part of this process must include assessing whether the item can be resold or is permanently defective or damaged. Obviously, some store associates will be unable to make this determination, so they must be informed of how to process the return and get it back to the respective supplier, shipper, or manufacturer. In the case of medical device and medications, processing these returns may require additional training to ensure medical-grade products do not end up misused by novice employees or sold illegally. Therefore, managing reverse logistics through a dedicated transportation management system, or TMS, may simplify the process by ensuring the right type of return mode, insurance, and overall monitored chain of custody. It is vital in parcel reverse logistics that you go above and beyond for customer returns. The right customer returns process is tantamount to the entire customer experience. A complicated returns process will aggravate customers, and if a return shipment contains hazardous materials like electronics, batteries, aerosols, cosmetics, perfumes, or medical devices, shippers must take extra care to reduce risk to customers and maintain hazmat precautions to customers. In such cases, customers that fail to ship return products with hazmat compliant packaging and direction will blame the original seller, i.e., the shipper, for having a shipment rejected. This could lead to a lost customer and untold damage via negative reviews on social media. In a sense, this is another reason some companies opt for simply sending replacement items, skipping the returns process altogether. In conclusion, parcel and reverse logistics is inevitable and key to business continuity. Apart from shippers that skip returns for hazmat products, managing parcel and reverse logistics, it's inevitable. Customers are going to want return options, and they want the process to be as easy as possible. By understanding how parcel and reverse logistics affects overall brand value, shippers can reduce risk and create positive experiences for more customers. Well, that's it for this week's Talking Freight. Thanks for joining us for another episode. Oh, hold up before you go. Make sure you click over here to subscribe to our channel. Click on this box to watch all the videos in the current Parcel Talking Freight series, and click up here to go to Cerasis.com. Scroll down, and in the box, put in your email address and hit subscribe.